Did you know there was once a man who never died? His name was Enoch, and he was very special. Back in the old days, everyone died just like they do today. But Enoch was different. Every single day, he would take long walks with God. Can you imagine walking and talking with God like he was your best friend? While everyone around Enoch was doing bad things and making wrong choices, Enoch chose to spend time with God instead. He would tell God about his day, and God would share amazing secrets with him. Their friendship grew stronger and stronger. The other people probably thought Enoch was strange, but Enoch didn't care because he loved being with God more than anything else. Then one day, something incredible happened. Enoch went on his usual walk with God, but he never came home. The Bible says he walked faithfully with God. Then he was no more because God took him away. God loved Enoch so much that he brought him straight to heaven without dying first. When we walk closely with God every day, amazing things can happen in our lives too.